Hey, what's happening? My name's Todd McCart, and I appreciate you watching the video and opening the first email. This is in the first email. Now, I don't know what you saw, what you're thinking, what your situation is, but 9 times out of 10, you're looking to make more money. I was too. 10 years ago, yeah, it was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I started in affiliate marketing, and man, I struggled my first year, and then I met some people, and then I learned some things, and then I met some people, and then I learned some things, and throughout this 10 years, I've generated over 6 figures every year. 6 figures is 100,000 plus. Okay, just in case you're doing the math in your head. But anyway, excuse me. Um, Now, times have changed, and I'm sure you've tried affiliate marketing programs, been on online, and you get all signed up, and then they, oh, you got to have this, and they leave that special part out, that one part that can make you or break you. Okay, nine 999 of 1,000 are end up broke. They don't ever make a freaking dime. So over the years, I figured out that if I can enable every person that I show this to can make money, everyone, really, that intrigued me. I was never offered that. So when you join me in this, okay, not in anything else, because nothing else is going to be like this, or there is nothing else online like this, where it's easy to set up. It's an automated system. It does the work for you. It builds you an email list, and it has commissionable traffic. Okay. So the thing that people usually leave out is the part where you got to spend thousands of dollars to run traffic to your affiliate link to make any kind of sales or money. Okay. Well, that happens. Um, Not here. Not here, not with me. Okay. There's a reason why I'm in the company video, because I know how to generate leads. And I know that is the key to success, because 80% of making money online is generating leads. Now you're probably out there saying, man, you're flat ass broke. You're missing all your kids growing up because you're working a job that you can't stand. I get it. I get it. I was there. I was there. My job really sucked, but I made a lot of money, and then I got the hell out. you know. But here, there's all kinds of different ways that you can make money. Okay, but the key is we want to get you in and position you to make the most money. And here's my offer to you: you come in at core and VIP. I'm going to run traffic for you until you start getting a couple sales, or build that email list where you're going to get paid for people clicking on your email. Okay. So we got a little bit of AI involved in this, and pretty good chance that AI is going to get your job. Unless you get really good at using AI and be the best, then the places are probably going to keep you. Okay. And well, if you're a ditch digger, garbage man, you got it made. If you're a plumber, electrician, you got it made. You just got to be able to stick it out for 30 or 40 freaking years. Okay. So there's an option here. Okay. You join me in this business. You come in at core and VIP. All right. That means you're positioned to make $20, $200 commissions, uh, what is it? 250 matching bonus, 500 cycle bonus, and $1,000 cycle bonus. Now, this can happen once a month. This can happen once a year. This can happen a day, or this can happen multiple times a day. Okay. It all depends on what we do. Okay. This is where I am going to make a difference in how you react and work this business. Okay. It's going to take you about an hour a day. There's some daily disciplines that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to stay plugged into our Facebook group. That community is going to develop you, show you how to use social media, so you show you what to say to people and what not to say to people. Yeah, you're going to have to be involved. Okay? Involved is not consumed. Okay? You're not going to be consumed with this. Okay? The traffic that's in this business, because I've made over $107,000 with that alone, on top of the other was like list leverage back here and over here. I don't know what the hell I made in there. A couple thousand, a couple tens of thousands. And the one above me, that was my first. Oh, this one over here, this check right above here, that one right there. That was my first paycheck over $3,000 for the week. Huh. Now I don't look like much. I'm an old carpenter, and I'm old. Yeah, shit, I'm 60 years old. Okay, but I do know how I can help you. Is you get in at core and VIP. I'm going to put you in my traffic, and I run a ton of traffic. Okay, I run a ton of traffic, but I can only do this for the first 25. Actually, two people just did this about 20 minutes ago, and they're in traffic already. So the sooner you get in, probably the more traffic you're going to get. All right. Just wanted to introduce myself. Regular guy, carpenter. Okay. Um, but I want to help. I'm only here for 10 more years. You know what I mean? I've got skin cancer. I got all these kind of problems in life. We all do. We all have got problems. But the more people you can help, the more successful you're going to be. Okay. And that's my offer to you. All right. So get in, core VIP. Go to the link that's in the description below this video. Okay. It's not going to take you to a capture page. It's going to take you to get started now. There's a $997 bonus that the company gives you as well. And I do believe it's still there, but you got to act fast if you're going to get that bonus. Okay. But my bonus is as soon as you get in at VIP and core, you reach out to me. My phone number's back there. You text me, say, dude, I'm in. Let's go. All right. We'll get you over to the Facebook community and start rocking and rolling. All right. Thanks a lot for listening to me. I'll see you next time.